Oh my god, you know what? I'm so tired about all of activities that happen in this week because when I want to move my body, it sounds like krotok, krotok, and the krotok sounds it's so very loud, but it's freaking nice actually. Anyway, yesterday I walked around Sangraha, and after that, you know what? I found some sounds like "Grubak," and when I found it, there is two grandmother fell down on the street. Like, you know, it's so funny, Bijir, but I want to look. I cannot because there are so much people over there. Like, ayolah, it's so funny.